click the Developer tab on the ribbon. In the Code group, click the Macros button. The Macros dialog box opens, listing the 2 macros in the current workbook, Clear and Top 3. In the Macros dialog box, click the Top 3 macros. You want to edit this macro to change the color of the cell highlighting that the macro applies. Click Edit. Excel opens the Visual Basic Editor and displays the code for the Top 3 macro. In the line of code 5th from the bottom that begins with theme color =, click and drag the number 4 to select it. You want to change the color of the cell highlighting from yellow, Excel Theme Color Accent 4, to orange, Excel Theme Color Accent 2. Type 2 to replace the selected text. Now you will save your changes and return to Excel. On the menu bar, click File. The File menu opens. Click Close and return to Microsoft Excel. Excel saves the macro with the new instructions and closes the Visual Basic Editor. Click the Show Top 3 button. Excel runs the Top 3 macro, highlighting the affected cells in orange rather than yellow.